How to create a green screen cutout on Capcut. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove and edit the green screen on Capcut. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. First of all, you need to open up your Capcut application on your phone, and from here you're just going to tap on create a new project. Here you can import your background photo or a video like this. And once you do that, you are just going to create an overlay of your green screen. So just tap on overlay and add overlay and import your green screen video as well. And once you import your green screen video, make sure that it fits on your screen, or the first thing you can do is remove your green screen. For that, you first need to tap on your green screen item and scroll to the side. So from here, select the remove background option and tap on chroma key. So from here, you are just going to tap on color picker and select the color on your screen. So go ahead and tap it and select your green screen like this. If you select the blue one, only the blue will be removed. And if you select your green screen, it will be removed like this. You can adjust the intensity and make sure that your green screen is not visible anymore. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and select OK. And once the green is removed, you can adjust the size of your video. And once you play the video like this, your green will be removed and only your background will. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.